Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my fellow classmates and to my lovely lecturer Rosli. I'm Farwizah Binti Rosli from group S2026 and 11 to bring all of you more deeper to into the facts of vanadium. Okay, firstly, what is vanadium? Vanadium can be found in the periodic table. Vanadium is the transition metal which have the atomic number 23 and the atomic weight is 50.94. The symbol vanadium is V. Okay. At the room temperature, vanadium state is solid, which is vanadium is hard and silvery grey metal. Vanadium is very ductile, malleable, and resistant to corrosion. Vanadium is also a fairly inactive element and will not react with water or oxygen at room temperature. Many vanadium compounds are considered toxic and should be handled with care. Many vanadium compounds are considered toxic and should be handled with care. Vanadium is found in a wide variety of minerals in the Earth's crust. The majority of vanadium production comes from magnetite. Around 98% of the vanadium ore that is mined in South Africa, Russia, and China. Vanadium have variety number of oxidation state, which is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. The variety of the oxidation state of vanadium have the variety color, which is violet, green, blue, and yellow. For vanadium 2, the color for vanadium 2 is violet. Then the color for the vanadium 3 is green. Furthermore, the color for the oxo vanadium 4 is blue. Lastly, the color for the di-oxo vanadium 5 is yellow. All of you can see the variety color of the oxidation state of vanadium at the above. Now, let's move to the history of vanadium. In 1801, vanadium was discovered by the Spanish mineralogist, which is Andres Manuel del Rio, who named it erythronium, but eventually came to believe it was merely impure chromium. Then, the element was rediscovered in 1830 by the Swedish chemist, which is Niels Gabriel Säfström, who named it after Vanadis, the Scandinavian goddess of beauty and youth, a name suggested by the beautiful colors of vanadium's compound in solution. The English chemist, which is Henry Enfield Roscoe, first isolated the metal in 1867 by hydrogen reduction of vanadium dichloride, which is VCl2. And the American chemists, which is John Wesley Hardin and Malcolm Eldridge, obtained it 99.7% pure in 1925 by reduction of vanadium peroxide, which is V2O5 with calcium metal. Last but not least, we move to the side effect of the vanadium for the human health. Firstly, workers who exposed to the vanadium peroxide dust were found to suffer severe eyes, nose, and throat irritation. Vanadium also can have a number of effects on human health when the uptake is too high. When vanadium uptake takes place through air, it can cause bronchitis and pneumonia. Other health effects of vanadium uptake are cardiac and vascular disease, inflammation of stomach and intestine. Third, it also can damage to the nervous system, bleeding of livers and kidneys, skin rashes, weakening, and lastly, it can cause the sickness and headache. Lastly, we move to the uses of vanadium. Vanadium is the corrosion resistant and is sometimes used to make special tubes and pipes for the chemical industry. Nearly 80% of the vanadium produced is used to make ferrovanadium, or as an additive to steel. Ferrovanadium and vanadium steel alloys are used to make such things as exhausts, crankshafts, angles for cars, parts of jet engines, springs, and cutting tools. Vanadium pentoxide, which is V2O5, is perhaps vanadium's most useful compound. It is used as a more than a material which permanently fixes dyes to fabrics. Vanadium pentoxide is also used as a catalyst in certain chemical reactions and in the manufacture of ceramics. Vanadium pentoxide can also be mixed with gallium to form superconductive magnets. I think that's all the facts of vanadium that I know. That's all from me. Thank you. Please subscribe.